2007 Jeep Compass. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. An AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, stability control, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.